it, buddy.
Leo, you one-star knuckle.
Circuit face, you're about to witness my finest prank on those Earthlings.
Hold up, why is the floor opening? Is that a fish?
A Titanic void salmon, fresh from the rings of Tarmal. Let's see him deal with this.
It's fine.